Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Webex for virtual enrollment help with insurers, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for the Webex platform. Press enter to navigate to the Webex homepage. On the homepage, look for the sign in button located at the top right corner. Click on the sign in button. If you already have an account, enter your email address and password. For new users, select the option to create a new account. Follow the prompts to complete the account registration process. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Meetings or Events section on the dashboard. Click on Schedule a meeting or join an event based on your needs. Fill in the required details for your virtual enrollment session. Make sure to set the date and time that suits you best. Add a meeting title that clearly indicates it's for enrollment help. In the Invitees section, input the email addresses of your insurers or support contacts. Check the box to enable video if required. Click Schedule to finalize your meeting setup. After scheduling, you'll receive a confirmation email with the meeting details. Review the email for the link to join the session. On the day of the meeting, click the link in the email. This will direct you to the Webex meeting room. Allow the application to access your camera and microphone. Once in the meeting room, wait for your insurers to join. Follow any additional instructions provided by your insurers during the session. After your questions have been answered, you can exit the meeting room. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.